Hey, you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you smack that bell so you can get notified when I post a video. So you can be a part of this notification gang because I'll be on here whenever the fuck. And if you guys like this, make sure that you share it off and check the description box below for any other information. So in this YouTube video, I want to talk about the law of attraction and creating your reality through your higher self. So when you're creating your reality through your higher self, that's basically you living from your soul's purpose. You living from your truth, you expressing your truth, and you being in that energy of your truth. I tend to live from my higher self form, now more so than ever, and create my reality through that form. When you're creating your reality through your higher self form, you're basically led by the divine. You know, you're trusting in your intuition, you're trusting in your higher power. You're tapped in and you're tuned in within yourself because your higher self is of that higher dimension. It already knows the things that you are supposed to go through. It already knows what is meant for you. It already knows and sees from that higher perspective of reality because first, it must be created in the ethers before it is down. You are tuned in and tapped into your crown and your third eye. And I've talked about that in another video on how to manifest or using your third eye, subconscious power to manifest your reality. And you are connected and can effortlessly see and tune in to that third eye form to draw in that energetic wave of a higher frequency reality. Your higher self lives at a very much higher form than you if you are starting to elevate your higher self, because your higher self could not be elevated. You know what I mean? You have to elevate and learn how to, ascend and raise your vibration when you're tapped in and tuned into your higher self form. So if I'm manifesting from my higher self, I'm making sure I keep my aura cleansed. I'm making sure I keep everything within my higher self form cleansed and protected and very much raising of my vibration so I can attract those things of a higher dimension and of a higher frequency. It's going to be created quicker for you when you start tapping more into your higher body because you're led by your spirit. And when you're led by spirit, you are led by your heart. And your heart is pure, so you trust that you are making the right decisions for yourself. Now, how do you tap into your higher self? Because I'm pretty sure you're thinking about how do you tap into that shit. Well, like I said, you practicing meditation, calming your mind, asking yourself to show your higher self. You know what I mean? It's all about intentions. If you start to ask yourself and you start to get into the habit of creating intentions, you'll see how things play out the way that you want them to, because everything is an intention. Do it with an intention first. So if I want to tap into my higher self, I'm asking myself, what ways can I cultivate or what can I do to tune more into my higher self or tune more into me, tune more into my soul, into my spirit, because your spirit is all, your spirit is divine and it guides everything around you. You are energy. It will keep you aligned once you start to tune more into that aspect of you. So meditation, practicing certain types of yoga or whatever it is that gets you into that space of tuning more into your crown and your third eye, focusing your energy there, even creating an intention to tune more into your third eye and your crown chakra. I'm very well versed within those two realms of energy. I'm very activated, but you want to make sure that you keep your crown protected because your third eye and your crown are the center points to the higher realms, and you can tap into a lot of different energies if you aren't protecting those spaces. It also helps you just tune into your spiritual guides that can help you uplift your higher self and raise your higher self's vibration. Yeah, I would say do meditations, do yoga, just peaceful your mind, peaceful your fucking mind or whatever the hell. Tune into that energy, trust yourself more. Yeah, like really tapping into your third eye and your crown chakra is what's going to help you tune into those higher self forms. So if you are trying to start creating from your higher self realm, I would start by tapping into your third eye. But you really want to start by going from the root chakra first and then up. But since we're talking about creating your reality from your higher self, those are linked to the third eye and the crown chakra realms. So you can get those divine messages. And it might be hard at first to trust that what it is that you're hearing is right if you had a hard time before. Because I know for me, I'm in the process of still trusting my higher self. It's just like, oh, bitch, okay, should I really do that? But yeah, if you're leading from your heart, you'll see the signs. You should definitely do it. You know, because your higher self won't lead you astray. It's always guiding you into the right direction. And once you start to tap into that, knowing that it's always guiding you into the right direction, you'll see how it's always guiding you into the right direction, into things that is meant for you. So definitely do that if you want to start creating from your higher self. And I feel like I feel like it will definitely do of great benefit to you. You know what I mean? Be uniquely yourself and trust your journey and your process. But you guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, smack the bell so you can get notified when I post another video. Also, if you'd like to share this off to somebody else, go ahead and do that. You can check the description box below for any other information, such as how to book a session with me, buy crystal jewelry, donate to this channel, and more shit that's down there. So, and get a tarot session and a coaching session. So if you like to do that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.